In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dark mode design in Figma. Start by opening Figma. From your main menu, head straight to the Community section. This is where designers share resources you can use as a foundation, which saves time and helps you follow best practices for dark interfaces. In the search bar, type phrases like dark mode, UI kit, or dark theme template. Those terms usually surface comprehensive files with components, styles, and patterns already tailored for dark environments. From the results, select a template or file that matches both your project's look and its functional needs. Take a moment to review the preview. You are looking for clear typography scales, consistent spacing, and a thoughtful color system. Templates that mention variables, styles, and component libraries will be easier to adapt later. When you find the right one, click Open in Figma to duplicate the file into your drafts. This creates your own editable copy without altering the original. Open the copied file and explore how it's put together. Check the color system first. Most high-quality dark templates rely on color variables or styles, often organized by role like background, surface, text, and accent. This approach lets you manage the entire palette from a single place. Look over the typography too. Note the headings, body sizes, and line heights, so you understand how hierarchy is handled in a dark context. Finally, browse the components buttons, inputs, cards, navbars, and see how they're built. Components with variants and auto layout will be faster to update and keep consistent as you customize. Now make it your own while preserving the dark mode structure. Swap fonts by updating the text styles or variables so changes cascade across the file. Adjust colors at the variable or style level to reflect your brand. In dark mode, lean toward deep neutrals rather than pure black, and keep contrast strong for legibility. Subtle elevation and highlights help define layers without harsh edges. Update accent colors thoughtfully so interactive states, like hovers and focus, remain obvious. As you rearrange components, maintain their underlying logic spacing, padding, and alignment, so the system stays coherent. If the template uses tokens or semantic names, keep those intact. They'll make future changes painless. With these adjustments in place, you'll have a polished dark theme that's consistent, accessible, and on brand. All built on a solid community foundation and tailored to your needs. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.